What's going on? This is your man Ed1, and this is the Ed1 Experiment. On this channel, we'd like to discuss obesity, fasting, weight loss, and exercise, along with other fitness topics. Today, I want to talk to you about the benefits of intermittent fasting. Let's get into this video. Here are my top 7 benefits of intermittent fasting. As you are fasting, some of your hormone levels actually change. Insulin levels drop, which help burn fat. Insulin is high, your body slams on its brakes, fat burning comes to a halt. Higher insulin levels create an environment in your body to store food, mostly as fat. Higher levels of HGH, or human growth hormone, is perfect for burning fat and building muscle, among other things. Most people who use intermittent fasting are using it as a tool to facilitate weight loss. Based on eating fewer calories, calories in, calories out, that equation works perfectly. Intermittent fasting can actually reduce insulin resistance. What is insulin resistance, you ask? Good question. Insulin resistance causes quite a few problems. Constant hunger, even after a meal, increased bathroom breaks, neuropathy, fatigue, infections take
forever.
And when I say forever, I mean forever. And increased visceral fat, which is very dangerous, with causes such as fatty liver and other organs. Blood sugar levels, blood pressure, triglycerides, total and LDL cholesterol, you know, the bad kind, are all risk factors for heart disease. Intermittent fasting can reduce all the above. Need I say more? I have some more, but, moving on. Hear me out. There's been studies, in mice and rats. Intermittent fasting in mice and rats has shown an increase in new nerve cells, which could have benefits for brain function. Just saying. It's a study, it happened, it was mice and rats. Maybe it can be the same for us. Fasting also increases a hormone called brain-derived nootropic factor, or BDNF. Use a BDNF, which has been known to cause depression and some other issues. Intermittent fasting can help prevent Alzheimer's or alleviate symptoms. It's pretty good. I'm on board. Just in case. Did you know that Alzheimer's is the most neurodegenerative disease in the world with no cure? There was a study done on daily short-term fasting. Significantly improved symptoms in 9 out of 10 people. Alzheimer's, no cure. The worst neurodegenerative problem in the world. It's huge. I just gave you 7 rock-solid benefits of intermittent fasting. Hear me out, okay? Insulin is lower. Blood pressure has improved. Cholesterol is better. I can't do this. Fat has decreased. You have lost some weight. Inflammation takes a hit. Longer lifespan. Check the blood work. Am I right? So are you with me? Are you taking this journey with me or what? Because we're on our way. Gotta start somewhere. Change starts here. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you at the scale.
Scammer shots on the beat.
30 hertz straight.